Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna take you to Hearst Castle in California. Due to COVID and renovation, this castle was closed for the visitor last 2 years. I don't want to miss my slot, so that's why I booked my ticket online, but pretty much you can go there and book your ticket on spot as well. I already had online reservation, so I directly went to the counter and collected my ticket. It's not actually the ticket, it's kind of a wristband which you need to wear until you come back from the tour. We parked our car in the visitor center, and now it's time to get into the shuttle bus, which is going to take us to the castle. And based on the reservation, they gave us the gate number from where we can get our exact bus. This bus will take you to the uphill up to the castle, and once you get there, based on your reservation, since you are in a right bus, they will take you to the guided tour. I'm so excited to start this tour because I was like waited 2 years now. This is gonna be 60 minutes guided tour where we'll explore assembly room, refectory, billiards room, theater, garden, Neptune pool, and the Roman pool. Tour slots are open from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. If you go to their website, you can see that every 1 hour they have multiple slots with the 10 minutes intervals. So based on your convenience, you can book your slots. This is the most magnificent pool I ever seen in my entire life. I am sure it must be fun swimming in this pool. Let's go upstairs and check out the garden area. It took almost 30 years to complete the entire construction. The main construction was started in 1919. Finally, we are in front of the main castle building. After this tour, I was really not surprised to know that this castle has 25% of total world antique collections. The tour operators, the guide actually seems very knowledgeable person. They explain very well each and every room, the history of this place. But it is going to be 1 hour, as I said, that it's a 60 minutes tour, and they won't allow you to stay behind. So it's like once the one room completed, they will take you to the another room and followed by the next. After watching the silent movie in the indoor theater, now it's time to go to the tennis court. Isn't it amazing to know that celebrities like Charlie Chaplin visited this place so many times, and he actually played in this tennis court. Now we are on our way to the indoor Roman pool. You can easily see the architecture, color, design, and the illusion they created for this pool. It's amazing. Trust me, once you are there, you will definitely want to be in this place for a few moments. But unfortunately, due to time bound, you cannot do that because there is a huge line behind you. You need to finish your tour within the time frame. It was a highly satisfying tour for me. And now we are on our way to the visitor center. So this is how I spent a few hours in Hearst Castle. On your way back, don't forget to watch the movie, which is already included in your ticket. This film actually based on the real story, how they built this castle and the life of Mr. Hearst. If you already visited this location, then don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next location. Till then, bye.